Hey everyone, Robert here. I'm going to show you how to use the transform mode option within Affinity Designer 2. Now what this allows you to be able to do is it allows you to be able to edit a group of nodes that you create on an object and be able to move them, to be able to rotate them around. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Right up here we have a nice chunky rectangle with nice chunky edges, nice chunky outline. We're going to convert this to curves. So now what we're going to be able to do is use the node tool and we're going to put in our nodes. Now by default the node bending that's going to occur is going to be a sharp bend. And for my purposes, I want to go ahead and do a smooth bend here. Let me do this. So we're going to go ahead and, while using the node tool, we're going to click and drag and select all the nodes, and we're going to change it to a smooth bend. Now you can leave it at a sharp bend if you want. I just want to use a smooth bend. So we're going to click out of this area. Now we're going to take and we're going to highlight a specific set of nodes. Now if I were to take these nodes and move them, it's going to do this. It's not going to rotate at all. I want the thing to rotate wherever I want it to go. So we're going to undo what I just did. We're going to go through and select the nodes here. So the trick to this is we're going to go up and we're going to use the transform. We're going to click on this. Now what this does is it gives you this little node to be able to move things around. You can move things around, you can move it down, you can still rotate it, and then if you don't like that, you can go into your node tool, select this, and then select another group. I'm going to go ahead and do that, move that around. It's rough what I just did, but you get the idea of what you can do if you want to take a group of nodes and rotate them around like this. So that's how you use the transform mode. Hope you like it. Hope it helps. Later.